One thing I like to do before I shut down for the night is blow it all off. That keeps the windows nice and clean. So we're ready to go in the morning. Everything's all cleaned up. We've been using this, I think it's an 800, I believe. We got this new one here. Yeah, 800. They're pretty nice. So we'll call it quits here for the night. Hey guys, we're out here in the combine again and doing corn. I have my middle son Brent with me. Say hi, Brent.
Hi.
What do you think?
It's been a long time.
That's what I said. My windows are a little dirty. What do you think having two combines on the same farm? You see the other one down the other side of the hill? You see the tractor up there? Justin, he's up on the truck. We're gonna back up here and dump on it again. We're about center where it works out pretty good here without a grain cart. Count all those kernels? Probably not. It's amazing how many kernels you get from one bag of seed. See Justin up there hiding. Might fill this truck. This one's a little smaller. Yeah, once we take over back farming here, we'll end up getting a grain cart. That way one of the boys can run that. But I'd say that's pretty full. Get a little bit more on the back end, but not much. See Justin in the camera.
He's right there.
Yeah. There you can see the truck's full. The auger back. I like putting the auger back. We got a lot of corn in this field. Yeah, this is a big field. It's called riding in the sunset there, Brent. Now, we don't have auto steering and stuff like that in this machine here. That stuff could be all put on, but I wonder how the other guys are making out. So we pulled a lot more trees out today, and up on this hill over here on the left of me, where the sun's going down. We had to leave one standing out there because there was a tree stand in there, and I didn't feel like taking it down, but I don't know. It seems like when the equipment's here, you got to get everything ready to make it worthwhile pulling trees down. But it's small enough. I think my skiller will be able to dig out when I push out one over that. And the John Deere 160 sitting over there in front of the new barn and the equipment shed, and they have another project for tomorrow. So I said when we come back, we're going to move it over to the other side of the road and take out another hedgerow. And that hedgerow is a little bigger than I think it is. It's about 1,000, maybe 1,000 yards. I'm not sure, maybe a little bit more now. But it's about 30 feet wide, so that's going to give a good workout for it to go again. So. How was your school today?
It was okay.
Are you enjoying your new school up here?
Yeah.
What's the best part about it?
Probably math.
How about being a little bit but smaller school? That's nice too, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, so within a mile there's probably 5 combines running right now. Less than a mile. Three green and 1 red one. I know that only makes 4, but we only can see that many. It's amazing how nice this corn is. It's kind of hard to videotape drive, but right now all the kids are taking turns, and then the oldest girl's coming out here shortly. It's been a long time since they rode in any equipment and stuff with the moving the farm and stuff like that, so little girl Brooke said she used to ride around with mommy all the time in the combine. I laughed. I said, I think it was with me. It's amazing what kids say.